All right, so Lyre's has a new Highland Malt.
Yes, they do. I'm excited to try this.
Yeah, that's going to be super interesting to see. It doesn't really compare against anything else we've tried, right? It should be peaty and smoky and all that. Maybe.
Sure. I'm not a Scotch drinker, so I have no idea.
Okay.
I like Ritual whiskey. I like Kentucky 74 bourbon. I like Monday whiskey.
Yeah, so this will be exciting. We'll see what happens. And the drink we're making today is...
This is my Thanksgiving cocktail, so it is Thankful for Sobriety, but that's a mouthful, so I'll work on that title. Hand me those.
Give this a little test to see. Now, usually the Lyres are a little bit sweet.
Yeah, so this has about 1 gram of added sugar per serving, which is 1 fluid ounce. Let's see. On the sweet side, I guess? I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's super sugary.
Okay. Smells kind of... It's got agave syrup.
It definitely smells similar to the way that the Kentucky 74 bourbon smells. Wow. It tastes very similar to the Kentucky 74. You've got that barrel oaky flavor.
Yeah, lots of oak.
Smoke, vanilla, that bitter aspirin-y aftertaste. What I'm going to do is mix it with a little bit of my ginger juice, lemon, honey syrup I've got here, and maybe we'll have a little bit more of a warming heat in there.
As far as a Highland Malt knockoff, that's not too bad.
Yeah, I'm happy with that. So I'm going to mix up with the Highland Malt some pear juice, the ginger lemon, honey syrup, maybe add a little bit of lemon, we'll see. So what is a Thanksgiving tradition for you?
Thanksgiving tradition for me, yeah, it's really all about the food and the family. This year though, I'm going up to North Dakota for to freeze my butt off. Temperature was 7 degrees, so gotta get a nice jacket and stuff going, but it's all about the food and hanging out with the family. So how about yourself?
Yep, same. I am going to host Thanksgiving at my house again. I did it last year and that was really fun. So my immediate family, my grandma, I cook a turkey, try to not over dry it. It's very difficult. And then stuffing, and I just do a very traditional Stouffer stuffing. Like, I'm not picky. Whatever the cornbread mix is this year, I will do that.
Just a quick turkey tip. Heat your oven up to 500 if you can, and sear it for half an hour, and it'll just sear in all the juices. When you sear it, it makes a world of difference.
Shake that up, and as usual, I'm going to be a little bougie and put just a little bit of glitter in because it is the holidays. Just a little. Do you want some?
It's the holidays, sure.
Okay. This is edible glitter from Prism Powder. Very good. Alright, let's try it without a little bit of lemon.
To wow your guests with presentation. Wow, it looks like snow.
Yeah, it's pretty. And let's float a little bit of a anise pod and a pear slice. Alright, let's try it. Cheers.
Cheers.
See if it needs an adjustment. It's a very fall looking drink. Yep, pear and ginger.
This would totally be good warm too.
Yeah, it might actually be really tasty warm. All of these ingredients would be really nicely warmed up like a hot toddy. I'm actually going to add just a little bit more of the malt. It kind of got lost in there with all the other flavors. So
I'll just put mine.
You guys put yours in there. Really nice build.
It's a little bit more noticeable.
Yeah, that's good. It definitely is on the more subtle flavor.
Yes.
When you're mixing it with other strong flavors like ginger. Maybe a little pull back a little bit on my ginger syrup would have been smart. But I do love that warming spice. It goes really well with it. That is a fun fall cocktail right there.
How much was this on?
On their website, it is $35.99. You can probably get it at Boisson or Better Roads. I bet if you go on Lyre's website, you could get a good deal of like buy 3 bottles, get 1 free. They do those deals pretty often. Yeah, I'm really happy with this.
So I was just reading a quick review on Amazon about a guy who was like, I really want to have a good Highland Malt Scotch. He ended up giving it a 2-star. You gotta understand, this is not gonna be exactly like the real thing, but you know, having tasted a lot of single malt scotches, this is pretty decent. So I'm gonna say I could actually even maybe, you know, sip that straight.
Yeah,
Like,
I feel like you could mix just the malt with just a little bit of the ginger syrup, or just on its own with a little bit of something a little bit sweeter, just to take that bitterness out as you're sipping it.
all right, so drinkability.
Oh, I'll drink that cold or warm. This is delicious. This is definitely an 8.5 for me.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'd give it a solid 8 for sure. And then you sparkles.
Sparkles.
Right, have a happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.